Here's Papaw. He's either constipated or has a big fish on. Back up, Braden. Oh, wait.
Ooh, it is a nice one. Oh, come on, don't do that.
All the way back.
Whoa, something's attacking you.
Reel down. Gotta get down to the lead. Okay, now lift. Lift.
Lift that tip.
Okay, foul hooked him. That's a nice one.
All right, Papaw. How about that, Papaw?
Good job.
You gonna be okay? You need to lay down for a little bit?
It's tiring.
I'm making up for yesterday.
Good enough laying down yesterday.
Whoa! Woo! Woohoo! Braden's got an active one.
Oh,
Those birds.
keep that tip up, buddy. Don't pump it. Keep the tip up.
He's trying to go down. I see another one right here.
No, that was a dandy.
You get many like that, Randy? Whoa.
Yeah, there's years where it's just non-stop. King after king after king.
Bring him around, Braden.
Oh, there's some over here.
He's under the boat. He's under the boat. He's back out.
He's right here.
Ho ho! I've got all this on video too, buddy.
That's
Do you
cool,
want
huh?
to do this one? Put this one.
Swam right by you.
Okay, I got one on again.
He's calm down. Get him while he's calm. What is he, a native?
Can't take that fight away from him, though.
Oh, here he is. It's upside down.
Mama's got one too, huh?
Have it for a second.
He grabbed the weight.
He's a native, but that's okay. I don't think Braden cares. That was a fun fight.
I got this one by the tail.
What kind is he?
That?
That?
Little.
What do you think, Braden? How was that?
Fun.